So we are going to have a little assembly line going here. You don't want to make more than 3 or 4 of these up at a time. But we are going to make, everything's going to start with the same basic base. So all of them are going to have half a cup of oats. So it doesn't matter what flavor you're making, they're all going to have half a cup of oats. And they're all going to have 3/4 of a cup of oat milk. But first we're going to put the dry ingredients in.
Soy milk.
Okay. So we're going to start over. So we got this little assembly line down here, and we are going to start every one of the flavors. It doesn't matter what it is going to have a half a cup of oatmeal. And then depending on what we're making, we're going to do, did you want chocolate with your Nutella? Chocolate peanut butter or just peanut butter?
Just peanut butter.
Okay. So for the, peanut butter one, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then what other flavor are you doing?
Do the chocolate peanut butter.
We're going to do a chocolate peanut butter. And it's going to have 2 tablespoons of chocolate peanut butter. And all of these that I'm making, we're using the PB Fit. Doesn't sponsor me or anything. That's just what we're doing. And then your third one?
I'll just do the
chocolate protein.
Yeah. I'll test them.
And the chocolate protein comes with a scoop, and we're only going to use 1 scoop, which is about 2 tablespoons again. Okay, and then hold on a second. And then each of them are going to have a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber. They have a ton of fiber. And then the oatmeal's got fiber, so this is going to make you really regular. So once you get those going, you're going to mix up the dry ingredients really good so they're not clumpy. And then rest, I'm going to do a chocolate peanut butter. So 2 scoops. And then I'm going to do like an almond joy. This one is going to be peanut butter and blueberry. And then we're going to have an almond joy. So I'm putting the scoop of protein powder in it. So those are your bases, and you're going to add your 3/4 cup of soy milk. She's adding 3/4 cup of soy milk in each one of them. I don't even know where you're pouring that.
I fell off the other side. Thank you very much.
So there we've got the basic ingredients of the 3. So that's 1/2 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of the soy milk, and then whether you want peanut butter chocolate, or you just want the protein powder, depending on what you want. Stir those up. So now you're going to put whatever toppings you want. And I'm going to put cinnamon in all 3 of Russ's. Cinnamon is healthy for you as well. Just putting some in there, not a ton. I watched one the other day where the guy put, he had made some cinnamon tea, and instead of the soy milk, he put the cinnamon tea in there to amp up the cinnamon flavor. And when he did that, he also chopped up apples, so he made like an apple pie. It looked really good. Might have to try that. Now is where we put the toppings in, whatever toppings we're going to have. So she's got, right here, she's got just peanut butter. So in Becca's first one, she is doing, what's in it?
Peanut butter with apples. Thank you.
And you can just lay them on top, and in the morning you can stir it up. And then in your second one,
the peanut butter chips, or was it, or is it caramel?
I don't know, because it was your idea.
Caramel.
What's in that?
That's the chocolate with peanut butter.
This chocolate?
No, this chocolate.
Oh,
with
okay.
peanut butter. With caramel chips.
That's more than plenty. Next one.
Probably the
The
Nutella.
Nutella. And this one's got the chocolate protein powder, and she's putting Nutella in it. And now you could probably, that's enough. And she'll mix it on in there. So that's Becca's. She's got an apple with peanut butter and a chocolate chip and peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter fit, PB fit. And then the last one is the scoop of protein powder with the Nutella and the chocolate. So for Russ's, I've got a peanut butter chocolate, and I'm gonna do peanut butter chips and chocolate chips in it. And these are the Lily's no sugar added chips. And in the morning, they'll shake them up, or you can shake them up now, either way. But these will sit in the fridge overnight. And then I think that's it. That's how you make the overnight oats. You could put vanilla in them. You could put some sweetener in there if they're not sweet enough for you. I have some stevia, and I also have some monk fruit. So if they're not sweet enough, they could add some of that in the morning. In Russ's second one, we're going to put some blueberries. I'm going to put like a half a cup of blueberries in there. And they're just frozen blueberries. So I'll put that in with his peanut butter powder. That will set overnight. And then here we have his chocolate protein powder, and I'm going to put some almonds. Just some sliced almonds. A little bit. Put some almonds in there. I'm going to put some coconut flakes. And milk chocolate chips. It's going to be like an almond joy. I'm going to stir that one up a little bit. So we'll give it a little crunch in the morning with that almond in there and the chocolate chips. So there you got almond joy, blueberry and peanut butter, and then chocolate chip and peanut butter, Nutella and chocolate, caramel and chocolate peanut butter, and apple and peanut butter. So we got 6 different kinds of overnight oats. You can eat these right out of the jar in the morning, which is what most people do. They just eat them cold, or in the morning, Becca might heat hers up, take the lid off, heat it up in the microwave, and have warm oatmeal. So, talk to you next time. I'm doing a video. How was it, Becca?
Actually, really good. I liked it.